Hey guys, I am here with your reading lesson for today. The first thing we're going to do is read for the sun. I'm going to try to talk quickly so the video won't be that long. Please pause the video when you need to form your letters, to read from your student booklet. The materials that you need are a piece of paper, a pencil, and your student booklet. But first we're going to read for the sun. I'm going to use some words in context. Do you remember what context clues are? If I use something in context, that means I use it in a sentence. Thumbs up, because I know you said that. All right, first word. The title of this unit is us. This is us. We're going to write the word us. What's the first sound you hear in the word us? Which is a U. And then the second sound is, which is an S. This word is us. Okay. Some of our words are going to have two sounds and two letters, and some of our words are going to have two sounds and three letters. I'll show you what I mean in just a moment. With the word us, how many sounds does us have? Now, am I asking for syllables? No, I'm not. I'm asking for sounds. If we stretch it out, use Stretchy the Snake. Us. That's two sounds, right? And two letters. All right, our next word, let's see if we can figure out how many sounds it has and how many letters it has. Okay, the word is gas. Golly loved to stay at the gas station. Gas. So let's count the sounds. G, a, s, gas. How many sounds do you hear in that word? Three. There's also three letters. So the first sound is g, g, g. What letter is that? G. The middle sound or vowel sound is a. That's an A. And the last sound is S. So far we have us, gas. Pause if you need to. I'm going to keep going. The next two words end in SS. Now, when SS gets together at the end of a word, it makes one sound, okay? And it's just one of those things that you have to remember. That's why we're practicing it now. So my next word is less. We know that's a math vocabulary word, right? If I'm counting down, I will have less. If I'm subtracting, I will have less. Let's count the sounds. O, S, less. So three sounds, but there are four letters. So what's the first sound you hear in less? Oh, you're going to go all the way up to that headline and pull down to the baseline to make your lowercase, what? L. Now we said O, E. What letter makes that sound? E. And then we said S at the end, right? Just like us and gas both end in S. So does less. But again, it's one of those tricky things where it's not just one, it's two. So write the word less now, please. I'm going to keep moving to our last word for read for the sun. Loss. When I don't know what to say, I'm at a loss for words. Let's count the sounds in the word loss. O, a, s, loss. Three sounds, but just like less, loss is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. What's the first sound you hear in the word loss? Same as the word less, right? Now, what about our vowel in loss? And O, like that octopus on Ella B's Star Day poster, right? Very good. So we have O, ah, and then the last sound is what? S. And again, it's going to be two S's. So go ahead and write the word loss now. I'm going to try to get all four words into the frame so that if you need to pause to finish writing your words, you can do that. As I said, I'm going to keep going. So the next part of our lesson is going to be done with some picture cards. I'm so excited. What is the first letter in the word us? Right? We know that's our unit right now. Us. What letter is that? U. What sound does U make? Now, I want us to remember that the sound can be at the beginning or it can be in the middle. So I want you to stand up for a minute and I want you to say the word jump. Can you say jump and jump up in the air? Jump is j, p, jump. So that U is right in the middle of the word. Now, if we were in class, this is when I would give you a little U card of your own. And I would say, wow, every time I say a word that has or in the middle of it, I want you to jump, okay? But instead, I'm just going to use the U card. And when I say a word that has in the middle, I still want you to jump. Are you ready? Here we go. First one. Put that over there. Ooh. What are these? These are all different kinds of what? Bugs. What middle sound do you hear in the word bugs? U. Jump up. Next one. Ooh. What's that? That's a bus. What middle sound do you hear in the word bus? Jump up. Next one. Who's this? That's our super kid, Doc. What middle sound do you hear in the word dock? Is that a U? Nope. So are you going to jump? No. Next one. Who's that? Duck. What middle sound do you hear in the word duck? There's our U. You better jump. Very good. Next one. I can't wait to go back to the beach and fly a kite. What middle sound do you hear in the word kite? I. Is that a U? No. No jumping. Next one. These eggs are in a what? A nest. Can you say the word nest? Make sure you're saying these words with me. What middle sound do you hear in the word nest? Is that a U? Nope. Don't jump. Oh, I love to eat this kind of nut. It's a walnut. I think it's a walnut. Can you say nut? Yes. What middle sound do you hear in the word nut? Is that a U? You better jump. All right, very good. Let's see what's next. Ooh. At the farm, you see some pigs. What middle sound do you hear in the word pig? Is that a U? No siree. Next one. This is a rug. It's like a small carpet that you put on the floor. What middle sound do you hear in the word rug? Is that a U? You better jump and say rug. Next one, listen and repeat. Sun. What middle sound do you hear in sun? Is that a U? You better say sun and jump. All right, excellent job. Now would be a great time for you to pause. And then when you come back, I want you to bring your student booklet, page 6. I'm going to give you directions for how we do page 6 and page 7. And then I'm going to let you work on that on your own. All right, so hopefully you're back and you got all your wiggles out with all that umping, right? Okay, we are going to look at page 6 in our books, okay? So we're going to be reading each word. I want you to kind of just take a quick look at all the words on this page, okay? Again, we're looking at that middle vowel sound. What color are all the vowels on this page? Pink. That's right. So we know that letters are either vowels or what? What are the other kinds of letters that we talk about a lot? Consonants. That's right. So our vowels are pink and our consonants are what color? Black. You are so smart. What are our 5 vowels really quickly? A, E, I, O, U. I wish we could do our vowel bat right now. But instead what we're going to do is read both words and simply circle the one that matches the picture. So we'll do the first 2 together and then I'm going to let you work on the rest on your own. So let's take a look. I want you to make sure that you read each word very carefully. Take your time. Don't have your mom or your dad read them for you because you can read them on your own. Every single student in our class can read all of these words. We've practiced all of these letter sounds. We've practiced putting them together. So no cheating, okay? Take your time, and if you can't do it all in one sitting, do a few and come back. Let's take a look at this first one. What letter is that? H. What sound does H make? Then we have our vowel, right? That's our letter of the week. U says How about G? G says g. Let's put those 3 sounds together. G. Hug. Am I just going to go ahead and circle that because that's what Tic Tac and Talk are doing? No. We know we always look at every single one of our choices, plus we get a chance to practice our reading. And the more we practice, the better we get. So, same beginning sound, right? Ooh, different middle sound. Ah, ah, ah. G. Og says hog. I don't see any hogs, but I do see a hug. So I'm going to circle the word hug. Do that now, please. Next one. Let's take a look at what Fritz is doing. I think that's Fritz. Yeah, because he's got a little fish with him. Okay, so again, we see that our pink vowel is in the middle and our black consonants are on either side. Let's look at each letter and sound it out. C says what? K. U says what? T says what? T. So I have k, t. Cut. Right here. C says what? K. O says what? Ah. T says what? T. So those 3 sounds are k, ot, cot, cut or caught. What is Fritz doing to that fishing line? Cut, right? That's the word that matches the picture. So what I want you to do to complete this lesson all on your own is go through and read both words. Circle the one that matches the picture. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 chances to become better readers. That's the way that you need to look at it. Every word you read, it's growing your brain, it's making your brain stronger, and it's helping you to become a better reader. Because I miss you and I love you. Let's do this one together. Are you ready? This has 4 sounds. It's a little bit trickier. What does S say? S. L says what? ol. What sound does I make? I, I, I. And is that a D or a B? I hope you said D, right? Because that doorknob is before the what? The door. That's how we know it's not a B. The doorknob is before the door. So here we go. S, ol, id. Slid. Slid. Very good. Now let's look at this one. The consonants are the same, only the vowel has changed. So what sound does that make? S. S. What sound does L make? O. What sound does E make? Eh, eh, eh. That one's tricky. Don't let it trick you. And there's our D again, right? D, d, d. So listen and see if you can blend this into a word. S, O, ed. Even if I just put these two together. Sl, ed. Then I only have two sounds to blend. Sl, ed is sled. Now, which one matches what Oswald did? Okay, did he slid down the slide or did he sled down the slide? He slid down the slide, right? We remember that a sled is something that you use during the wintertime in the snow. Okay, so that's one more done for you. It's up to you to do the rest. I miss you. I love you. And I can't wait to see you again and hear how well you read all these words. You can do it. Don't give up. Bye.